Hello YouTube, this is John. I'm going to review a motorbike security system, and what you see here is a remote control and the system itself that has the microcontroller inbuilt. This protocol they're using RF signal to arm your system, and with the remote it has a transmitter and this has a receiver. And I'm going to break the functionality into few steps. Here you can start your bike with the remote, you can arm the system, you can unlock, you can also mute the sound when someone has touched you. When you go to your bike and there's no one, then you can stop the sound. Then here inside has a tilt sensor, whereby if there is any movement on your bike, it will start making noise immediately. Then we have the Siren speaker, and this speaker connects to this connector here. And in this system we have this connector that connects to your bike. This is where it gets the voltage. It gets as you see here, the red and black, the one where it gets the 12 volts from the motorbike battery. And also it can control lights like the indicators, all the indicators and the light. And this is the antenna, the RF antenna, so that it boosts the signal whereby you can access it. Then how it connects to the motorbike: connect it inside the motorbike where someone cannot easily touch. And here it has some double tape, and you press it down on the motorbike. And also the system itself has the double tape, whereby you stick it on your motorbike. And it has 4 screws. I opened it inside, and inside it has 5 relay switches that control the one that turns it on, the one that controls the indicators when an event has occurred. In case like you arm your system, the indicator will blink to show you that it has received that command. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and like, comment about this product. I'm going to install it on my bike, and I'll make another video on how the installation is, and I'll make another video on what's inside this system here, the microcontroller. You get to see what's inside. Please, thanks for watching. Subscribe and support thumbs up for the latest videos that are going to come. Click here to subscribe to my channel and watch some of my videos that I upload. Thanks, goodbye.